it's Jacob here from J&J Studios, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Apple Watch magnetic charging cable 1 meter. This is Apple's more expensive cable for the Apple Watch, as I have the Apple Watch Series 1 Sport. It's the cheapest one you can get. And this is the charger it comes with. It's a all plastic one. It's USB on the end, and then the magnetic charger, which Apple Watch just sits on. I will demonstrate right now. Just sits on. And then if it was plugged in, I'll plug this in quickly so you can see. I'll show you. So you just take your Apple Watch, take it, place it on top. And then your Apple Watch is charging, take it off, stops charging. Well, even though this is not a meter, and the more expensive Apple Watches have a real nice metal charger. I liked how it looked. I wanted one, but I also wanted a little bit of a longer one, so I finally got it. I ordered this online from the Apple Store. It is $30 or $29 US. I'm not sure what that is in euros, but $29 US. And then 2-day shipping is free, so $30 bucks. Here, I'll show you the packaging quickly. Simple how to use it. Okay. Open this. So now, the cable the watch this usually comes with it's a smaller one, same length as this, but it is metal. And it comes with the $1,000 Apple Watches. But, I'm a 14-year-old, why do I need a $14,000 watch? So here it is, standard USB. Then here's the actual charger with the, as you can see, here is the metal. Don't know if you can see that, hope you can. This is 1 meter, so a lot longer than the other one. I figured because, sometime I may need it just a little bit longer. So, here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to tear these tabs. So I can take off the cord. Okay. Now I'm going to take off the back and take out the front if I can. Why wasn't it coming off? There we go. Okay, here's the actual plug. You can see it's metal, and I'll compare it to the old one. This is the old one. This is the top. This is the bottom. And this one, this is the top. This is the bottom. Still have a little piece of plastic. See if I can get this on the mic. Don't know why, but that's always super satisfying. I think there's a little one in the back. No, there's not. I feel like this is going to scratch quite easily, but that is fine. So, again, as you can see, it's a lot nicer. I mean, when you think about it, $300 Apple Watch versus $1,000 Apple Watch. So, this one you can buy for like 20 bucks. This one was 30 bucks. Now, if you want to get the smaller one the same size as this, it costs the same amount, still 30 bucks. Link in the description if you want to get one. Now, I will go ahead and plug this in. I think these are the same size, actually. Yeah, these are the same size Apple Watch cords. So they have one that's even smaller, but okay, let's try this. There it is. I'm plugging in my USB dock, which I will plug in. Oh, that's not good. All the cords do slip a lot, I admit. So, I will be putting some stickum on the bottom. I'll try and get this in camera so that hopefully it doesn't slide out. Okay, Apple Watch on. And it works. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Link to my last video in the description. Don't forget to go follow Swagcraft04. He's a good friend of mine on YouTube and in real life. Don't forget to go subscribe to him. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Also, do not forget to enter a giveaway. We'll see you next time.